made it to Miami. Now we just got into a train. We're trying to get into a train. It's so cheap. It's like $3, and it's gonna take us to Miami Central or Metro Rail, and then we're gonna take another one. So, hi guys, welcome. Hi. We made it to Miami. There's Amasha there. That thing is not focusing on you. There we go. There she is. So now we're about to, okay, we got here. We took like 3 trains from Fort Lauderdale. We took like 3 trains from Fort Lauderdale, and they were so cheap, and we do not regret that decision at all. As much as it took us like 2 hours to get here, but we do not regret the decision, because the first one was like $3. Actually, it was $3 for the whole trip, and then we Apple paid to the other one. I don't know why we had to pay for
the second one.
For the second one, but we just Apple paid. I don't know how much we paid, but
it was $2.50.
Oh, so we almost
we used like
$7. $6.
$3.50. The second one was $2.50. So $6.
Wow. Anyway, we could have paid $50 from Fort Lauderdale to Miami, but we made it. Thank God we made it. And then we checked into our accommodation. And then we're about to go out. We're hungry, we're starving, and we haven't ate lunch. All we had drinks at the other place while we were waiting for the Uber, and that was it. Anyway, now we're about to go out and eat. There's this Cuban place. I know Amadou will be like, why are you so excited for Cuban food? But you can't come to Miami and not eat Cuban food. So there's this Cuban place that sells sandwiches that I want us to try. And then we're going to explore this place that we are living in. It's called Little Havana. We're going to explore it. And luckily, the places that we want to go to are like close. Like there are 2 minutes by walking, like in between, or maybe 5 max. So we're gonna go there, and then we're gonna go to Brickell tonight. She's so busy. We're gonna go to Brickell tonight to see how Brickell is at night. And right now we're like right next in front of downtown. I think that's downtown. I don't think that's Brickell. I think that's downtown. But that's it for tonight, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes at Little Havana at Sandwich. If you don't know this place, look it up on TikTok. It's called Sandwich. It has Cuban sandwiches and food and stuff. Anyway, bye. Yeah, I feel like there's something wrong with this trip.
No, ungayiqali kanjalo, because izobaningi izinto. When I went to New York, we kept on saying that.
Oh no, wrong. In the name of Jesus, there's nothing wrong. But I feel like the devil is trying to fight us. Yeah, okay. 1, okay. Amata is trying to put a perfume on
it. Just spilled, guys. No, you don't.
Oh, just let it drip. Okay.
Drip. I'm so sad, guys. This spills in my bag. Like it was 4. It is these mini whatever, and this one is my favorite. Flip.
Yeah, she just took it out of her bag, and it is
whatever. Honestly, let's go eat. Maybe that's why I'm feeling J. I don't know if I'm wearing these or not. Honestly.
What, the shades?
Yeah. Okay, I wanna enjoy this look. The next time I go put my Betty.
That's fun. Betty has a head filled. Oh, yeah, that voice.
Yes.
I was on time.
Okay. Yeah, fit check.
Okay.
So, I don't know what the stain is, guys, so excuse that.
Yeah. Okay, she got the hair coach. And I'm like, just
coach, you're not going to coach, but I'm gassy. The ouch. Like, I don't know. I got this at Plato's Closet, which is so cute.
Totally, we don't look. Okay. I also got these on platters.
Oh, so we got these.
A
The
platters
Play-Doh.
closet. Okay. This is from American Eagle.
Okay.
This is TJ Maxx. This is Marshalls, and this is Target's.
This is Shein. This is
Those
these
pants
pants.
are cute.
Thank you. It's a
Yes.
TikTok shop. This other shop called Yours. I don't know why this thing's nothing. This other thingy called Yours. I love the outfits, and I also love two pieces. This is actually from a set,
Oh,
and I
really?
took. I don't want to wear the whole set. And then these are from Shein, really.
I've seen them with so many people.
Yeah. So
Yes.
and then I broke my glasses during my accident, so I'm wearing these old glasses.
No one knows that in my vlog. Anyway, last
oh.
Sunday, she got into an accident, and thank God she's here because we already had this. When I tell you that the devil is trying to fight us, but we're not there. We're gonna speak.
Unamanga.
The devil is a
People must talk
liar. Okay, she got in a car accident like few days ago. So her glasses that she has, she used, have broken the accident. So she has now her Harry Potter's. Why does it keep sliding? Now she has those ones, but I want to show you guys the full outfit. Should I?
I mean, I don't know.
Anyway, I'll see you guys at the Cuban place. It's so cute. But let's try to catch this sun because I want to take cute pictures. Hi guys.
Bye.
The chicken,
Yes.
meat is the meat.
Yeah, in Spanish. In
Meat is carne, carne.
curry. Okay.
Carne, carne.
Oh, carne.
Carne.
Okay. So
It's meat.
picar the carne.
Picar la carne, yes.
See?
Yes. Picar la carne. Es pig, the chicken.
The chicken. Okay. See?
Picar
Uh-huh.
the chicken, el pollo.
El pollo
El pollo,
is,
pollo.
is chicken.
Chicken.
El pollo.
Hispanic.
Oh, it's funny. Okay. Do you have your family here or it's just you in
Oh,
a
yes.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall.
Good morning. Back from the same spot as yesterday. Thank you. Wait. Okay, let's try this again. Good morning. Back from the same spot from yesterday, which is our room. And woke up today at like 8. Well, I woke up at 7:45 because I set an alarm. And then we just scrolled, and then we took a shower, and then we're now getting ready. It's like 10 a.m. now. It's like 10 a.m. and we are trying to go out for breakfast or brunch now. It's no longer breakfast. At this place we saw on TikTok again. It's called the Bistro Cafe. It looked good, the food looked good, but they said they have like long waiting list if you are, because it's like a well-known spot, so everybody wants to go there. So now we have to hurry up and get there and probably be on a waiting list, but we're still gonna eat. And that's Amahle with her long wig. Yes, and this is me, my outfit of the day. This, whatever this thing is called, tank top. Yeah, tank top. The cover up that I had yesterday, and I have shorts. Then I like butt out shorts, but they're like shorts. And then I still have my shoes, same shoes from yesterday. So we're gonna go there, and then we're gonna eat, and then we come back, and then we get ready for the beach, because we are going to the art district place somewhere in South Point, and then Ocean Drive. We're gonna walk around there, and then we're gonna go and chill at the beach. Today is sunny. Well, it's not sunny anymore. It was very sunny earlier on, and now it's getting like cloudy. But the temperature is like 25 degrees Celsius. It was supposed to be 27. I don't know what got it down. Maybe it's like the cold front in the south, but that's it. I'll catch you guys there. Why are you putting that like that? Okay, I'll catch you guys later when we get to the place.
Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Spend all the roses. Spend all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment.
Out of this place.
Ooh, child, the ghetto. The ghetto.
In November, see it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment.
Can you guys see the difference? Can you see the difference? Okay, so we just arrived to the new place, the hotel, and guess what? Anton Kalel, you're gonna hear it when they get ready with us. No, story time. The story time. Anyway, we got ready. We got here and everything is perfect. But we don't have chairs. That's the thing. But we have the tripod, right? Phone stand, so we don't need like internet. Anyway, it's beautiful. It's pretty. I'm not gonna do a whole whatever. I'm just gonna show you what we have on this. Okay, it's
bad. I'm about to get a new feeder. My curls are insane.
I think I need a mascara to help me flip these things. This is what I'm looking like. I'm not really feeling myself right now. Hold on. Myself right now, and we were supposed to leave here like 2 minutes ago. Oh, 5 now. But I'm not really feeling this kind of makeup because I'm not a makeup person. So and if you know me, I don't really like, I'm sorry for the vent, but you can't turn nothing off. I am not a lipstick person, so whenever I need to feel my lips like being glossy or I'm just gonna like keep licking them, which is not an option. So I need to get my lips glossy or else they're gonna be dry. That's why I never put lipstick on. I need to have a lip gloss. Yeah, that's my makeup. When I mean makeup, I mean like it's just a powder, so that something are shiny, and a mascara, and that's it. That's how I'm looking like. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. I don't know. Amaka, do you want to come say and show us your outfits? I'm gonna do like a whole outfit of the day. Come, let's. What's the one back one to compared to? Amaka has a whole face bit, and I have like a minimal. Look at that. Look at that.
To be fair, I'm a makeup person. She's not a makeup person. But we both look beautiful.
Yes. Okay, thank you. But I'm gonna do like a outfit check so that y'all can see how I look like in terms of my outfit, not like my face. I feel like I should not have done my eyebrows. Not my eyebrows. These eyebrows, ne? The eyebrows, ne? My eyebrows, because I kind of feel like weird.
It's in your head.
It's really in my head. They're gonna know what's gonna know. They're gonna
How
know.
will they know?
But yay! Let's see. Let's get this Uber, and then I'm gonna be on our way.
Are we getting on? Didn't you say we walk? Oh, we said it's far.
Yeah, it's too far. It's 25 minutes walk. So no. And now let's we're not gonna do that. But it's like $5 or $6. Ocean Drive. Little quick fit check. You give me something like never That's all I can do. I think it melts it up. Chicken. Oh, it wasn't fully pasta. I think that's like that. And what's the thing about it?
Okay, what's that? Makes sense.
To eat breakfast at this place. It's connected to our hotel. This is waiting for us. Let's go. Awesome.
Hi.
Nango caramel. Kente angenzi ice kome.
Yeah?
Kente mangenzi ice yagodola. Uchilo nya. I think it's fine. There's like a truck
touristy spots esifika kuyona. Yeah. Shithi khona yedwa ephuza ngesipro sesiyibona isipro isikhathi esincane ley'ntro vele zikhambe.
Oh yeah, till it's the last.
Fucking happy. Yeah, guys, I am back.
Hi my beauties. Hi guys. Now the time is 12. Oh, 1. Sorry, 1. So when the last time you guys saw me was earlier when we were at the breakfast place. So we woke up and went to the breakfast, which is to a restaurant that is part of this hotel. And then we went to Marshall's because Amatle wanted something at Marshall's, a dress for the boat ride. And then we just got back like now because it was like a walking distance. So we had to walk like probably like 12 minutes to, and then 12 minutes to come back. So we took like quite some time, but we're here now. So now we are getting ready to go to the design district, possibly Wynwood as well, but we don't know if that's gonna work out. It might not, but we're gonna go to the design district. So our day is going to be from Miami because right now we're in Miami Beach, but we're gonna spend the rest of our day in Miami. And yeah, and then after the boat ride, after the thing, after the thing, after Wynwood or design district, we're gonna go. Okay, so right now I just did my little makeup. You guys know that I'm not a makeup person, so I asked for this brush which has like a powder. Is it setting powder in?
It's just powder.
Okay, for powder so that my face doesn't get shiny.
Foundation powder.
Foundation powder so that my face doesn't get shiny. Otherwise, that's all I am doing. And then of course I'm gonna have my lip gloss, and that's it. And yeah, so we're gonna do that, and then I'll catch you guys at the design district or Wynwood, wherever. So bye.
Say
hi.
Hi.
Wait, I focus now.
Hi guys. Hi man.
Anyway, we are on the way to the place. The weather is beautiful in Miami, and I am thankful that we are able to get there. Okay, weather is so. Anyway, we have like.
It was gloomy during the
in the morning. And Miami district, art district, I guess. It was so gloomy in the morning. I was so annoyed, and it was coldish. I think because of the temperatures, so 16. But now we are going. It's very warm, and I can't wait for the boat ride. Seriously, like.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, bury my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay guys, we are here. We are at the Gucci place. It's too bright. Not at the Gucci place, at the design district. We're just walking around, looking around, and then we're gonna see what we're gonna eat and do when we're here. I'm in front of the Tesla store. And then there's Marc Jacobs right there, and then there's Gucci. And then there's Gucci on right.
Actually, more than good, kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free, wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, I'm not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave. Oh, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me.
Hi guys, hope you guys can see me because I cannot see you guys. So Amasha and I just finished taking pictures at that lifeguard thing, and now we're going to sit down. The beach is right behind us, which is like the Beyonce of this trip. stronger than Beyonce. Stronger than Beyonce. Which is like the Beyonce of this trip. Now we're gonna sit down and eat and go swim. So see ya.
Hi guys, I'm vlogging on behalf of Annette. I don't know if she's gonna like see this clip, but there she is there. I'm here. Literally. Up. Sijongele Beyonce yenzayo Ntombi.
That day, I was so scared for my life because him and Jonas like did not stop touching me. Whoa, I have a great arm.
Peanut butter fuck. Do you like it? Hey, got TikTok.